Today's house we love is absolutely stunning from the outside and also pretty special on the inside. And if you stay until the end of this video, the view from the terrace is also pretty incredible. It's located in the charming historic centre of the Ligurian village of Pietrabruna, which is just inland from Imperia and San Remo, midway between Genoa and Monaco along the Italian Riviera. Pietrabruna is often mentioned as a must-see gem in Liguria. If you're looking for a truly turnkey home with unique architectural features set in a medieval village with quaint cobblestone streets and stunning views of the surrounding hills and distant sea, this might be the one. This 123 square foot property has been finely renovated to include a sleek and modern glass floor and ceiling in the main living areas. This gives the home a very bright, modern feel, while also retaining its historic charm and character. The home is spread over 4 floors, and there are 2 bedrooms, but it should be noted that there is only 1 bathroom, which is quite common in many older homes in Italy. If this isn't an inconvenience for you, the wonderful terrace is also going to offer you and your guests lots of extra outdoor living space in a relaxing and idyllic atmosphere. It's on the market for €179,000, which is more than we normally feature, but still a pretty incredible price. We liked this home so much, we thought it was worth making an exception for. If you like it as much as we do and need more information or have any questions, please contact the Realtor directly. Their original listing and contact details are in the video notes below. There's also a 30-second video of the village from the terrace in the original listing. Thanks for watching, and we'll be back soon with more homes for sale in Italy under €150,000.